have an arcade machine which I retrofitted. There's an Xbox in there, but you see it's still an arcade machine. But the fun thing is it's just about the Marquee. And I want to show you, I have a cell phone app for that. And now let's just change the theme of the Marquee. And now you see we have a different one. We can of course change that again, and you see there is the loading screen. And so for every season, I actually, when I want to play my arcade machine, we can change that. And I just need to use that app. And let's just make a Merry Christmas. Maybe I'll leave that for the time being. So if you have an arcade machine and you want to pimp it, or you want to put the game title in there, or you just want to animate it, that's pretty cool. And you can see with that app I could actually also have different stuff like emojis. So we can make it a little Crim arcade machine here. Takes a while. So it's loading directly from the cell phone to my arcade machine, and you should see it in a few seconds. And then we have these cool eyes here, and there is actually a lot more. And what's also fitting, since we have an arcade machine, of course we could do like Pac Man here as a theme, or I think that's the Floppy Birds, stuff like that. Or of course we could also change that to the location we are. So right now it would be the American flag we could show, but there's also a lot of other stuff which you can choose from that app. Let's just here, like that Pokemon, I guess that's something like a Pokemon, and so that's pretty cool. So you see we have that Pokemon, and as you can see right now, I actually have my racing wheel attached to my arcade machine. So we could of course also have the arcade machine have that for a driving game, make it a little bit more funny. So what I'm trying to say, you can put in one of these displays in your arcade machine, and then you have a really pretty cool, how should I put that, Marquee. And now since it's Christmas, I'm actually putting that back to Christmas. Oh, there's a funny one. Let's just go with this one real quick. I'm pretty sure you all know this one. And you can design your own as well, so you don't have to just choose from what's available. But here, The Simpsons, and that's quite funny. But since it's Christmas now, I am going maybe just back to a Christmas theme. So anyways, that is just a video how you can, if you want, pimp your arcade machine in a pretty nice way.